won't send no text, I'ma pull up dressed in black. It's a few ops we ain't catching, a few ain't stretched, we still gon' catch that hat. Kill the main nigga that spin and do it again, we ain't cutting the ops no slack. I'll pop one, then I'll pop two, then one.
What's up, gang? You know I'm back with another banger on y'all, you know what I'm saying? But today, we is at our car meet in Shreveport, Louisiana. Them boys supposed to be lining it up today, so we gonna see what happened out here. You know, I'm sitting in the car right now because down here, we don't be on time. We don't be on time. I try to be on time, I'm even late. We supposed to be meet up at 7. It is 7:34, so they probably gonna be here by 8. We got people pulling up right now. But I'm gonna get y'all some good content. I'm gonna show y'all what Shreveport really about. And I'm gonna put in the thumbnail everybody that's really here, or if they hit me on Instagram, I'm gonna tag them in the description. If y'all wanna race them, it's gonna be a lot of ZL1s, Mustang, Camaros. ZL1, the only really like Camaro that's really like in there. But yeah, got a lot of Chargers, Scat Packs, Challengers, got everything. Man, that dude got a modded Nissan, folks. But we gonna see what happens. So I'm gonna let y'all know when I get to the video what's going on. Y'all know I'm gonna stay up. I'm gonna keep y'all tuned. I'm game.
Toys up, known for the lock. So dropping windows, we jump out and touch the stop. Big and a black out. 4 inch with a good day, bring that bitch up. I'm still pissed with his partner, had caught that issue. G23 locked up with that glitch on me, shit a kiss. Trying to push it on the picture. So I'm procrastinating about that shit with the mud, I'm still crashing. Rappers doing my dance in your video, feed shit on your big dog, nigga smashing, still breaking. You know my level chill, I let my flip babies tag. But fuck that, then it's big bro, I'm in your bleeding. See me, push up nothing but rifles, ain't I watch that drop this whole week. Niggas talking about shooting the house, and shoot wood, she gotta show me. The jet jacket talking about you won't smoke me. I camp on side of curbs, and jump out where they shoot dice at. You talk that game for shit, I bet they won't pull through these projects talking about. No shit get a bad shit, game and clap that. Force out the man, and young and they long for they right there. If you show that this that shit you want, niggas come from different angles. When you post to, I paint you. When you hear come here, don't run, you know it's dumb. Walk down with number K's trying to slide a bitch cross their face, they know it's gangster. Nigga took my dog, won't let up till all them bitches slain. They ain't hungry for this shit like us, want blood, fuck the fame. I'ma show up the check.
Chrysler.
I ain't racing nobody, man. I ain't got no time.
I found out who the other day had
Huh? One of y'all get this right.
I got y'all.
Alright.